For this video, K-Brand sent us over this really cool trellis system. This is perfect for those looking to support their plants, whether you're growing tomatoes outside and you want to kind of give them a little bit more support, or you do have some peonies that tend to kind of hang over in the summertime when they do bloom. This trellis system works perfect. Now I love the poles on here. They're super sturdy. The inside is steel and they do have a nice green coating on here, which just helps prevent any rusting. On the bottom you can see a nice spike on there, which just helps it go into the ground. And you do have a cap on the top, which is great, especially when you do have these connectors and you want to make your trellis a little bit higher. These little connector pieces you just put right on top, and then you can just slide one of the poles right on top of there. Now they do have the little side connectors. These are really easy to adjust. You're just simply going to place one on this side, and then you can reach over all the way to the other side where you're going to want it and just be able to snap it right into place. So overall, this trellis system is really nice. It's super simple to set up and it's just so versatile. It just kind of grows with your plant. That way you don't have some just big contraption sitting there. You can just kind of make it look more aesthetically pleasing, especially if you do have this on your patio or deck. So if you're looking for a really nice trellis system, this one right here by K-Brands is a great choice. Thanks for watching.